How to get rid of mold in the bathroom. There is nothing worse than the sight of mold in the bathroom. Mold in the bathroom shower. Mold around the toilet. Mold on the floor tiles. Mold on bathroom ceilings. Mold on bathroom windows. The leading cause of bathroom mold is moisture. Dangers of mold in the bathroom can drastically impact your health and quality of life. Here are a few of the most common reactions people experience after being exposed to bathroom mold. Coughing and/or sneezing. Nasal congestion. Itchy, watery or swollen eyes. Breathing problems. Headaches and fatigue. Dizziness and/or nausea. If you have any of these symptoms, you should do mold testing and removal ASAP. Do-it-yourself solutions for mold removal are usually not persistent and very dangerous as mold is toxic. The best way to get rid of mold in the bathroom is to call professionals. At Mold Busters, we cover Ontario and Quebec in Canada. Call us now at 1-877-566-6653.